Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you a pencil stationery case. So let's open it. I love this sound actually. Whatever I'm gonna open it. Like the best part of opening a packet. So this is my unicorn stationery case. You can see this is so pretty. This unicorn, oh, I love it. It's so cute. So let's begin. We will open it. So see, here is a star chip. You can see this one. This is a star chip. So from here we will open it. Okay. So let's open it. Oh, it's got stuck. Okay, so yeah, are you ready, guys? Should I open it? Should I show you what's in this? Okay, so let's open it. Yay, magic! Wow, this is so pretty. So basically this is a rectangular shape box. Okay, you can see this is a unicorn rectangular shape box, and this is one of my favorite stationery case these days. As I love unicorn, I really love unicorn, and getting a stationery of unicorn, I think it's a blessing. So let's begin. So you can see the finish here. See, this is star. Okay, and all the chips, very elegant. Oops, something falling. Oops, oopsie moment. So now we can see like how I arranged it. You can see. So here basically I kept this colorful sketch pen. So usually I carry it in my college. तो मैं बता दूँ मैं अभी कॉलेज में हूँ. So here is all the colorful sketch pens and I love it. Here is my pencil. I use this Dome's pencil. I love it. Let's keep it back. Go inside. Okay. So here I kept my all the highlighters. All the highlighters I'm having here. See, all the highlighters I keep here. All the sketch pencils I keep here. Here is my basically pen. Here I keep all my pens. This is my pen area, and there is like this is so much of spaces, but there are more space. So when we flip it, when we are flipping it, here also lots of space. See, like it's a magic box. Like, do you remember a Doraemon pocket from where we get all the stuffs? It's like that only. So we can keep and we can carry everything. So here basically I keep all my pencil colors. Okay, one tape as we need it in school, maybe sometime, or college. Okay, what are you doing there? Come here. So all my pencils, the pencil color. This is here I also keep stapler, sometime we need it. One Favigum, my eraser, my sharpener, my Favy stick. Focus, I'm not focusing. Yeah, my favorite stick, and my favorite sticky notes. I love it. So I carry all this in this pencil case. So all my and one more thing, if I want to carry my earphone, see I'm having very cute baby pink earphone, So that also I kept here and carry it with me whenever I needed. So let's remove it now. So this was that pencil case. It's having very big space, you can definitely go for it, and I just love it. It's like a mystery box. Just open it and just see all the things, and you will definitely gonna love it. So that up, let's close it. Just love this finish. Okay, let me show what's in the back. Here you get beautiful this flower painting also. Okay, so on the back side there is a flower painting, and in the front we are having a unicorn. Like, see, it's cute unicorn. This is so cute. See, here we are having Ziploc and everything. Let's close it. Okay.
Please like and subscribe.
Yay, closed. So this is my favorite pencil case, and right now I'm in college and still I can use this, and even a school going student will love it, and you can like carry tremendous amount of thing in just one case, so you can go for it. If you want to buy it, I will be link it down on my description box. Please go and check there. From there you can buy it, or please comment on how it is, please. Thank you guys, bye.